Hi, Mark at Physical of Eversville. Continuing our little squat tutorial. Now I want to show you how you can up your game a little bit more and do basically a single leg squat. Okay? We're going to do these, however, with a toe touch to kind of maintain your stability and build you up so you can do it without having to use a toe touch. So I'm going to demonstrate all of them with weight bearing through my left leg, and we're going to use the right leg for positioning. So the first one I'm going to show you will be from the side. I'm just going to take my right foot, toe touch out in front of me just a little bit, again, front my toes in line with the heel, and going to squat from there, keep it 90+% of the weight on my left leg. I will do my repetitions here, then I will position it back here. Same way, just toe touching, keeping all the weight or as much as you can on your left support leg. Okay? You may build up to this, you may have to use a little bit more support weight on your moving leg, in this case the right, based on your conditioning level. So forward and backwards we just covered. From the side, I'm going to take my right leg, toe touch out to the side, but keep loaded on my left and do my squat again just to where I can go. Not forcing anything and not losing form. Part two, I'm going to toe touch right next to my arch and do it from here. So now we're doing it in close. Then the third and probably the most important plane is rotation. So for this one, again, I'm going to keep all the weight on my left leg. I'm going to take my pelvis, I'm going to rotate it to the right where I can comfortably. Then I'm just going to take and just toe touch my foot out here, maintaining that pelvis turned to the right. And I'm going to do my squats here. And then to cover the other half, I'm going to take now and rotate my pelvis to the left where I can comfortably, not letting my support foot move. And then I'm just going to toe touch again where it's comfortable to maintain that pelvic position. And I'm going to do my squats from here. Again, on these variations, you may have different levels of depth that you can squat to. That's okay, keep it comfortable. So this is a variation to up your progressions. If you have further questions, contact us at physicaleveversville.com.